안녕하세요. Hi everyone, this is your Korean Sam, Jina. Today's expression is 어깨가 무겁다. Repeat, 어깨가 무겁다. Yes, 어깨 is where? Shoulders. 어깨 and 무겁다. You may know 무겁다. We've done a lot. Is to be heavy. So your shoulders are heavy. What does that mean? Look at the picture here. Oh, there is a lovely family, lovely daughter and lovely mom and lovely dad. And it looks like he is going to work and say bye-bye. And maybe they are talking about see you in the evening, right? But can you see the break here and a burden here on his shoulder? Yeah. So it is to have a sense of responsibility and feel pressured. So you feel heavy on your shoulders. So we say 어깨가 무겁다. Why? He has to work because parents want to give every good thing to their sons or daughters. So he has to work and earn money and endure every difficulties in the at work. So we say, he's pressured. 어깨가 무거워요. He has a responsibility to save his family, right? It is used when a person undertakes a difficulty or important task and carries heavy responsibility. 어깨가 무거워요, like him. So there are similar opposite words. 어깨가 무겁다 and 어깨가 가볍다. Always 무겁다, 가볍다 is opposite. So 어깨가 무겁다 is you feel too much pressure because you have to do important thing and you have a big responsibility. But 어깨가 가볍다 is the opposite. So when you successfully finish something and now you can finally take a rest, then 어깨가 가벼워요. Something pushed your shoulders is now has gone. Okay, then let's move on to examples. A. 민서야, 승진했다고 들었어. 축하해. 민서, I heard you got promoted. Congratulations. 고마워. A. 이제 팀장이니까 돈도 많이 받고 좋겠다. Now you'll make more money because you're a manager. So nice. And B says, 그렇긴 하지만 it's true, but 모든 책임이 나한테 있으니까 어깨가 무거워. But I feel more pressured because I have to take all responsibilities for everything. Right. So if you just go to work, if you're still, if you're not a senior, if you're just junior in work, then you have less responsibility. But as you go up, as you get more promoted, then your responsibility is getting bigger and bigger. So 민서 says, 어깨가 무거워. Alright, do you understand? Okay, let's check with exercises. Number 1, when can 어깨가 무겁다 be used? 1. 부모님이 여행을 가서 혼자 집에 있을 때. When you're alone, when you're home alone, and your parents are away to travel, then you feel pressured. Pressured for what? To protect house? Maybe, but it's not always. It doesn't make sense 100%. So let's keep moving. Number 2, 가방에 짐을 많이 넣었을 때. 가방. When you put a lot of stuffs into backpack and you carry the backpack. 무거워요. It's true. But we say just 가방이 무겁다. The backpack is heavy, not my 어깨가 무겁다. So it is not the answer. Number 3. 회사에서 중요한 프로젝트를 맡게 되었을 때 when you take on the really important project at work 맞아요? Yes, really important project. Then 어깨가 무거워요. You have a lot of responsibility. You have to make it successful. So, I feel pressured. 어깨가 무거워요. It's the answer. And number 4, 스트레스를 많이 받을 때. When you have a lot of stress, when you get too much stressed, 스트레스를 많이 받아요. 어깨가 무거워요. They are kind of related. But 어깨가 무겁다 doesn't necessarily mean you are stressed. You just feel responsibility, not stressed. So let's move on to number 2. 제가 이번에 졸업식에서 연설을 하게 되어서 졸업식 is graduation ceremony. And 연설 뭐예요? 안녕하십니까? Yes, it's a speech. So I'm giving a graduation speech in the graduation ceremony. So I feel pressured and responsibility. So 어깨가 무거워요. 제가 이번에 졸업식에서 연설을 하게 되어서 어깨가 무거워요. Okay, so hope you guys understand and see you next time. 다음 시간에 만나요.